Let's make some Epic Trance. First, let's set the tempo to somewhat like 140 BPM and start with a punch kick from a sample pack. I'll dip some of the lows from this. Then I'll use two claps. The first one with some reverb. And then a snappy clap. I'll also record the reverb clap because I don't want the reverb to carry on to the next one. Then let's add some open hi-hats. Some closed hi-hats. And we need some shakers. And some percussion. Let's add some distortion to process the percussion. Some EQ to take down lows. And some delay. Then we need some crashes. And some rise after 16 bars. Guys, if you like these drums, they're from a sample pack Infinity Groove. It has more than 400 drum samples, including kicks, claps, snares, hi-hats, shakers, percussion, and loops. These samples are high quality and ready to make your production process easier and faster. Plus, it's really affordable. So if you're interested in this sample pack, make sure to check it out using the link in the description. Now we're going to use two types of basses. The first one is an offbeat bass like this. I'll layer subtle this and sidechain them to the kick using a limiter. And the next bass is a simple 16th note bass. I'll sidechain this and cut off the lows from this to make it stop clashing with our other bass. Then we need some good atmospheric and emotional pads. Let's layer another one to this. And sidechain them. Take down lows. And add some saturation on the highs. Then let's add a solid. I'll just sidechain this. Then let's add a piano melody. I'll just saturate some of the highs. Then let's add some strings. And some sequence sounds. Moving on to the second half of the drill, let's arpeggiate the chords like this. Let's sidechain this. Take down the lows. And automate the cutoff to open up like this. Then let's add some effect shots. And some downlifters. Now that the drop's done, let's move on to the intro and the build-up. Let's start with the drums, except the percussion and the rides. Then let's add the 16 bass and the effect shots. After 8 bars, let's add the offbeat bass, the pads, and the sequence sounds. I'll reverse this to transition into the build-up. Now let's add the strings. And after 8 bars, let's add the drums from the intro except the kick. And add the 16 bass. The piano, and some build-up drums. And some rises. And let's also create a high pass on the master channel to thin out the build-up like this. Now let's duplicate this and change things around at the second half. So guys, our track is now finished. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.